With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The assertion is renal threshold of glucose is said to be 180 mg per 100 milliliter, and the reason is that glucose starts appearing in the urine when its blood level exceeds 180 mg per 100 ml of blood. So we have to talk about the renal threshold value of glucose. So firstly we talk about renal threshold. So renal threshold of a substance, it is the highest concentration of that substance in the blood. So it is the highest concentration of a substance in the blood. So up to which it is totally reabsorbed. So up till the renal threshold value, the substance, it is completely reabsorbed from the glomerular filtrate. So from the glomerular filtrate. So this was about the renal threshold value. So the renal threshold value of the glucose, so this value of glucose, it is, for glucose, the renal threshold value, it is 180 milligram per 100 ml. So this is the threshold, renal threshold value of glucose. So what happens is, up till this specific concentration or the value of glucose, it gets completely reabsorbed and does not appear in the urine. So it gets completely reabsorbed and does not appear in the urine. So however, if its value increases this specific value and does not comes out through the urine, however, when its level exceeds 180, so when this level exceeds 180 milligram per 100 ml of blood, so when it is higher than 180 milligram per 100 ml of blood, so what happens is some filtered glucose is left behind. So in this case, some of the filtered glucose, it is left behind unabsorbed in the tubule. So in the tubules as unabsorbed form, as unabsorbed. So as a result of which it appears in the urine. It appears in the urine. So it is when the concentration of glucose in the blood, it increases than 100 milligram per 100 ml of blood, then it starts appearing in the urine. So if we come to the question, assertion was renal threshold of glucose is said to be 180 milligram per 100 ml of blood. This is correct. And the reason is that the glucose start appearing in the urine when its blood level exceeds 100 milligram per 100 milliliter of blood. So this is also correct, because after 180 milligram per 100 ml, the filtered glucose it left behind in the tubules and thus it appears in the urine. So are both the assertion as well as the reason is correct, and the reason it correct explains the assertion. So our option is both are correct and it correctly explains the assertion.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.